Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If your first time visiting us, karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet and today I'm going to be showing you this delicious recipe. Oh my god, I was wondering what in the world I was doing before I discovered this recipe. It is very delicious, ingredients are very simple. Now let's stop the talking, let's get cooking. Ingredients today, I'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'll need 1 large potato smashed. I need 1 cup, that is 200 ml of milk. I need some coriander right here. I need the green and the red bell peppers. I need some finely chopped onion, finely chopped red onion. I need some spring onion here, just chopped. I have some 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have my yeast here, it's 1 tablespoon. I have 2 eggs right here. And finally, I also have some 200 ml of warm water. Starting off, I'm going to crack my 2 eggs into my flour. So just have to be careful that the shells don't get into your flour. That is okay. The next thing, I'm going to add in my yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast, my salt, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to start with the milk, so I'll be adding bit by bit as I stir. I want to get a thick paste, so once the milk is exhausted, I'll be adding the water bit by bit. Remember, my milk and water are both warm. My milk is over, so I'm adding a little bit of water. I'm going to bring this to mix. So I'm done mixing this. I just add a little bit more water. So now I'm going to let the yeast react with my all-purpose flour. So I'm going to cover this so that I can let it rise. So guys, my dough has been resting for about 30 minutes now, and you can see the yeast has really reacted to our flour. So now I'm just going in with my onions, coriander, my spring onions. These potatoes I boiled and smashed. And then I'm going in with the colored bell peppers. And now I'm going to bring this to a mix until everything is perfectly combined. The aroma, I'm telling you, it's so nice. The yeast, oh my, the bell peppers, this is smelling amazing. So we're going to bring this to a perfect mix. So my dough is perfectly combined with my vegetables that I added, and it is looking delicious, isn't it? Very delicious. So now I am going to fry this in my pan. I have already brushed some oil in this cooking pan, and what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to be scooping my dough and adding it to the pan so that it can fry. So I'm going to be adding like 1.5 scoops or so. And make sure that you perfectly spread your paste so that it cooks on all sides. So we're just going to spread it like that. Your heat should be on medium-low. Medium-low heat. Spread it, spread it. So you just need to keep on turning it so that it cooks on all the sides. Or the other trick that I taught you guys, you keep on shifting your cooking pan like that. So now it is time to turn this, and I'm going to be using, I don't want to break my bread or chapati, so I just do that. And then, there you go. Look at how delicious this is looking. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to add in some oil just at the end like that, and then I'm just going to be lifting it so that the oil seeps to all sides of my bread like that. Oh my goodness, look at that golden brown touch that I have achieved. Oh, this is looking delicious. I'm salivating already. I can't wait to give this a test. So the downer side is done, and now it can't cut off. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it is looking very delicious. So it is time to remove this bread as I add another piece so that it can cook perfectly. So I'm just going to remove this and put it directly in my plate like that, and I'm just going to continue frying the rest of the paste. So guys, I am done making my bread, and it was more like a chapati, and it is looking absolutely delicious. Just look at that. Oh my, nice and golden brown. I'm telling you, the perfect blend of vegetables will just make you fall in love with these chapatis. I'm sure that your family is going to like this. So until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet. Don't forget to smash that like button if you learned something new, and also share this video with your friends and your colleagues. See you